Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset network preferences on Android 15 beta. Let's go to Settings and then scroll down to System. Scroll down to Reset Options and click on Reset. You can reset mobile network settings or Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I'm gonna reset both. Click on reset, then confirm your password, then click on reset settings to confirm. And now they have been the mobile network settings have been resetted. Let's go to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset, and it's also reset. Now you can see that I need to connect to Wi-Fi again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.